little alleyways. Hundreds of alleyways. Quite nice inside, quite often. Hello, doggy. Hello, cutie. Cute little cutie. Do you see the little little spaniel?
Yeah.
Just say hello.
Hello to him.
I said hello to him. Oh, quite nice inside. Listen, some of them are very plush houses inside. Oh, there's a couple of dead chickens in there. That must be lunch. Hello. This is how you walk to the old quarter. Avoid the main road. Go all these hundreds of little alleyways. These tiny little laneways. But it's much more peaceful than walking along the main road if you can find.
5 o'clock at night.
Oh yes, 5 o'clock or something at the end of the peak hour. It's probably not. Right, I suppose I should have a check and make sure. Usually if you just keep going,
Did you see the goose getting done?
Oh.
I pointed my finger at him.
Oh. All the things you see as you go along. And then you come to a little shop.
Bán về đất phố, mua được nhiều, tiết kiệm càng nhiều, cơ hội chỉ có một, hạ giá phí không hề rẻ hơn.
I don't know what that one is. This is how you can buy your fish. Buy it fresh and take it home and eat it, or a turtle if you want a turtle. This looks like hardware market, this one. Oh, it's only a little one, don't go very far, do they? I don't think I want anything really from there.
Go back onto the street.
Telescope. That's all definitely hardware, that one, isn't it? All, those are the onions, aren't they? Not the garlic, that onion stuff we had the other day. Oh, a couple of these, but I think they're raw. Going or not going, she keeps on looking. Oh, those are the
Right at the bottom, isn't it?
yeah.
Basically never find anything else.
Those Yeah, that's what I was saying, down here. And there were t-shirts right up the other end when...
Đấy, 120.000 viên ma túy tổng hợp viên. Năm nay là khó khăn.
This is just the stuff, though. Let's see what's up there. Well done. So we can have a look. So we've done it all. They buy stuff to sell to other people. God, we've got a mixture of everything. Heavens above. This is spicy here, and then you go back to mushrooms and fish again. Whoa, doggies. Not much space, is there? This look like fruit down here. Mushrooms. Oh, that's fried shrimp. Mushrooms, and this is all mushrooms and spices. Where's the fruit go? I don't know. Bit of a mystery, isn't it? Well, there's some. Yeah, it was those things there, yeah. So much for tent.
Anh biết em bỏ rồi, anh cũng dạng gấp em.
What size are those branches?
Sell trees for tent. You just take up the footpath and put your trees out for sale. Then put it on the back of your right hand. Don't have much choice. What happens when your kid falls asleep? Instead of leaving it in the baby seat, you leave him on the back of your motorbike outside the shop. Oh dear.
$2.50 or something.
He's stuck. Rubbish collection in the lane, everything comes to a standstill, looks like. I think he's got off.
How are you?
Yes.
Are you
Hello.
good?
Hello.
Are you good? Happy New Year.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and feel free to ask any questions. We will certainly always answer you.